निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वेभ्यं नमांसि ಶುಭ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಇವತ್ತು ವೇದಘೋಷದಿಂದ ಆರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. We call upon Sundaresh to render Vedagosha.
श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः. हरिः ओम. ओम मेधा देवी जुषमाणा न आगाद्विश्वाची भद्रा सुमनस्य माना त्वया जुष्टानुदमाना दुरुक्तान् बृहद्वदेम विदथे सुवीराः त्वया जुष्टऋषिर्भवति देवि त्वया ब्रह्मा गतश्रीरुतत्वया त्वया जुष्टश्चित्रं विन्दते वसुसानो जुषस्वद्रविणो नमेते मेधां म इन्द्रो ददातु मेधां देवी सरस्वती मेधां मे अश्विना बुभावा धत्तां पुष्करस्रजा अप्सराशु चया मेधा गन्धर्वेषु चयन्मनः दैवी मेधा सरस्वती सामा मेधा सुरभिर्जुषता स्वाहा आमा मेधा सुरभिर्विश्वरूपा हिरण्यवर्णा जगती जगम्या ऊर्जस्वती पयसा पिन्वमाना सामा मेधा सुप्रतीकाजुषन्तां मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि अग्निस्तेजो ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयीन्द्र इन्द्रियं ददातु मयि मेधां मयि प्रजां मयि सूर्यो भ्राजो ददातु.
Dhanyavadaha Sundaresh. I would like to quote a few lines by Maharshi Valmiki. Karma phala yadacharita kalyani shubham va yadi va shubham tadeva labhate bhadre karta karma jamatmanaha, which means when a person does his work, may be good or bad, he will get the results based on his work and the doer has to experience the outcome. A very good evening to one and all present here. It's a great pleasure for Language Club of BMSCCM to have a virtual program on account of Valmiki Jayanti by Surabharati Samskrita Sangha. My hearty welcome to the Honorable Principal Pankaj Chaudhary Sir, my beloved teacher and staff, and also the participants and all the students present here. I would like Principal Sir to talk a few words.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, good evening to everybody, and this is a wonderful opportunity which is being created by the Language Club, especially the Sanskrit Club. So, I wish all the best to all the participants who have cleared their preliminary and then have come to the finals of this quiz. A special thanks to Dr. Geeta, Sundaresh, and the entire team of Sanskrit Club who has made this entire event a great hit. So I wish all of you very best, and my best wishes to everybody, all the participants, everybody. I might not know the names of all those who are involved into this, but then my best wishes to everybody present over here, online and offline, for conducting this quiz. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. With that, I think we can go on to who is participating. Let me just fix my PPT. So the contenders today will be Shamita Uttara, Vishnu Priya, Namrata Vasudev, Prapul Kaundanya, Swarna Rao, Sudhanva R. Manavi, Varsha B. and Aniruddha B.N. So best of luck to these participants. And I will explain a few rules that everyone should follow during the quiz. So first, there will be 4 rounds in the finals, and 1 round is only for faculties. Please note that the question will only be displayed for around 30 seconds to 40 seconds. So the participants should ideally get their answers in within 20 seconds. Also, please note that participants have to keep their video switched on at all times, because, you know, just to check that the quiz is being conducted in a legitimate way. That's all. And of course, the audience, please mute yourselves during the quiz, and please don't help the participants in any way. You will also get a chance to answer. Okay, and again, please don't Google or refer to any source during the quiz, because we are following, you know, it's kind of a good thing to do. Okay. Can we start? Shall we start the quiz? Okay. Let me get on Zoom for a second. Before starting the quiz, I just want to verify that everyone who is participating is in the call. Can someone just verify it for me? Because I can't really see Zoom when I'm screen sharing.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah.
All of you, please
Hi,
introduce
everyone.
yourself one by one.
Who's first? Shamita Uttara.
Hello. Hello.
Shamita Uttara, please put on your camera, video on. All the participants, please put on the video on.
Okay, now I can see Shamita.
Vishnu Priya,
Please switch on your video, guys, everyone.
please switch on your videos and keep it on throughout the quiz.
Okay, because I just want to verify that the quiz is done in a legitimate manner. That's why. And we have Sudhanva, we have Aniruddha, we have, who else? Prapul, please switch on your video. I hope I don't have to tell it again. Okay, and we're just missing Swarna Rao, I think. Okay, everyone's here. So let's move on to the quiz.
Siddharth, play
Yes,
that this one. Welcome to the quiz.
Ma'am, I tried playing the audio, but since I'm screen sharing, apparently no one could hear it.
Okay,
So-
fine. Move on. Yeah.
Okay, so let me just explain the rules of this round quickly. The questions will be directed at one participant, and if the participant fails to answer, the question will be directed to the next participant, and that will happen only once. There will be no infinite bouncing of questions. So the point system, for a direct question answered correctly, you get +10. If you don't answer correctly, you get a 0. There's no negative marking. If you answer a bounce question correctly, you get a +5. No negatives. So guys, feel free to answer. Feel free to guess. Okay. With that, I will be directing the questions like in the order of the participants whom I see on the screen. So first I can see Shamita. So the first direct is to Shamita. Here we go. Rama was born into which Vaksha?
Surya Vamsha.
Surya Vamsha is the right answer. We will accept Surya Vamsha. Plus 10 to Shamita. To be more specific, we have Raghu Vamsha, we have Ikshvaku Vamsha, but Surya Vamsha is acceptable. Shriram, that's plus 10 to Shamita, please. Okay. Next, we have Aniruddha, who is on my screen. Aniruddha, who set fire to Lanka?
Hanuman.
Hanuman is the right answer. We have plus 10 to Aniruddha, please. Good answer, Aniruddha. Okay. Who's next? We have Swarna Ram next. Great answers, guys. So, Swarna, how many kandas are there in Valmiki Ramayana?
14 kandas.
Sorry, 42 isn't the right answer. It passes
One,
to Prapul.
14.
14 is also not correct. Sorry, you had one chance. Prapul, it's a bounced question to you. How many kandas are there in the Valmiki Ramayana?
7.
Wait, I couldn't hear you, please. Once again.
Saptakanda.
Please be a little louder. Sorry, I have audio issues on my end as well. Or just put it in the chat.
It's in the chat.
Because there might be audio issues. Give me a minute to check chat. Sorry. Okay. Can someone please check the chat for me? Because I'm not able to see anything.
Sir, he has put 6, sir.
6 is unfortunately the wrong answer.
He has put 7
Please.
and then 6, sir. Hello, sir. Excuse me. He has put 7 and then 6.
Prapul, you can give only one answer.
You can give only one answer. I'm sorry.
Mom, actually, it's 7, Mom. 7.
Okay. We'll be giving.
7.
Yeah, we'll be giving a plus 5. Shriram, plus 5 to Prapul, please. Prapul, here's your direct again. For how many years did Rama go into exile? You're muted, Prapul.
Oh, sorry. 14.
14 is the right answer, so he gets a plus 10 as well on top of the plus 5. Who's next on my screen? Who's next? Aniruddha, we had Swarna. We have Vishnupriya for the next direct. Vishnupriya, how many royal princesses was Dasharatha married to?
3.
3 is the right answer. Plus 10 to Vishnupriya, please. Okay, you guys are answering very well. Okay, who's next? We have Varsha next on the direct. Varsha, who accompanied Rama into exile?
Sita and Lakshmana.
We'll have, can you name one of the, okay, we'll give her the points, plus 10, please. Lakshmana was the specific one we were looking for. Plus 10 to Varsha, please, Shriram. Just a second. Let me check who's next. Did Swarna have a direct?
Yeah, I got.
Okay. Who didn't have a direct? I think Namrata didn't have a direct, but I can't see Namrata over here.
Namrata is not there here.
Okay. Sudhanva didn't have a direct, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, it's a direct to Sudhanva. Sudhanva, where did Rama and Lakshmana build the Parnakutira?
Panchavati is near Panchavati in the forest.
Can you be a little more specific, please?
Panchavati, sir. Panchavati. Panchavati.
Panchavati is, we cannot accept that, sorry. Ma'am?
Yeah. Okay, I think you can get, I think. Panchavati
Okay.
is right answer. No problem.
Okay then, plus 10 to Sudhanva, please. We were looking for Chitrakuta, but Panchavati is
Chitrakuta,
also fine.
Panchavati they stayed, but still okay. We can consider. No problem.
Who don't have it? How many of you are here? 1, 2, 3, we have Shamita, 4, 5. We have only 7, okay. Since that was Sudhanva's direct, we have another one for Shamita. Shamita, whose wife was Tara?
Vali.
Vali is the right answer. Good one. Plus 10 to Shamita, please. Next on my screen is Aniruddha. Wait, this was question number 8. Since we have only 8 participants, now we have 7. I think that concludes this round. Shriram, can we have the scores, please?
Yeah, Shamita 20, Vishnupriya 10, Prapul 15,
Okay.
Swarna Rao 0, Sudhanva 10, Varsha 10, Aniruddha 10.
Okay, great going, guys. Let's see. I want to hand it over to Nidhi to do the next round, please. Nidhi. Oops. Okay. Nidhi here.
Oh, yes, I'm here.
Okay. Go ahead, Nidhi.
Thank you. So the second round is guess the character round. The questions directly answered will fetch 30 points. The questions answered after first hint will fetch 20 points. The question answered after second hint will fetch 10 points. Can you move on to the questions, please? So here's the first question. He is the spiritual son of Indra and biological son of Vriksharaja.
Nidhi, name who has to answer.
Yes, so the first question goes to Shamita Uttara.
No, wait, there's not a direct round. You can send your answers to the chat, to the host privately, because everyone who answers correctly on this one will get a plus 30. And we have hints as well. Those who answer on the first hint, 20, and then 10.
I think it will be better to answer with the list of the participants.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Siddharth, we'll go according to the list.
So the question was answered.
Shamita
Vishnu.
Uttara first answered.
Okay, she answered the question.
She
so
answered the
points
question
will go to
first, and
Shamita.
Shamita, and let it be in the order itself, this round.
Yes. Yes. Can you move on to the next question? The next question goes to Vishnupriya.
Yeah. Is the son of Ravana?
So the question is, he is the son of Ravana and was previously named Meghananda. Would you like to take a hint?
Yeah.
hint is, after defeating Indra, Brahma named him this.
Only
I would
Vishnupriya
request the
has
other
to.
participants to not
Please.
put.
Yeah, please do not. Nobody should answer when she is answering.
Yeah, ma'am, it's Indrajit.
Okay, so can we have the next
That's a
question,
plus
please?
20. That's a
Nidhi,
plus
Nidhi,
20.
make it clear that nobody should answer when the name is called.
Yes, ma'am. Please do answer only when your name is called.
Do not put your answers in the chat.
Can we go to the next question?
Yeah. So the next question goes to Prapul. Please, only you answer the question. So the next question is, he is a son of Brahma and brother of Himavanta. Would you like to?
Ma'am, I have the clue.
You want to have the clue?
Yep,
Yes.
you'll get the clue now.
See that, put on the first clue.
He's a witness of both Rama and Krishna avatars. Would you like to take another hint?
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, just a minute. Narada.
He's related to Shamantaka Manu.
He's related.
Jambavanta.
Yes, right. Right.
Jambavanta.
That's a plus 10, please.
Plus 10 to Praful.
Can we have the next question, please? This question goes to Swarna Rao. He is the youngest son of Aruna and brother of Sampati.
Jatayu.
That's the right answer.
That's a plus 30. Very good.
Plus 30. Very good. Swarna Rao.
The next question is for Sudhanva R. She is the daughter of Sunayana. So the hint is here. She is one of the Pativratas. Would you like to take another hint?
Yes, ma'am. One more.
She is also known as Bhumija. Bhumija meaning daughter of earth.
Parvati. Is it Parvati? Is it Parvati?
It's not Parvati. The answer is Sita.
Participants, please see that nobody prompts you, because we are able to, it sounds somebody is prompting you. Please do not do that. You be prompt enough to answer yourself. Continue, Nidhi.
Yeah, can we have the next question, please? It's for Varsha B. He is famous for his strength and devotion.
Hanuman.
Yes, that's the right answer. So the next question goes to Aniruddha. She is the daughter of Ashwapati and is the only sister to 7 brothers.
I'd like to go for a hint.
Her father's kingdom lies in present day. It's in Afghanistan. Would you take another hint?
Yeah.
She's a jealous mother.
Kaikeyi.
Yes, that's the right answer. You will get 10 points. So this is the end of the second round. I'd like Siddharth to go on with the third round. Shriram, can you please tell the marks of the participants?
Yes, so Samhita stands on 50, Vishnupriya 30, Prapul 25, Swarna 30, Sudhanva 10, Varsha 40, and Aniruddha 20.
Okay, great going. So this round is only for the faculties, teaching and non-teaching staff. So participants, students, kindly please don't answer. Someone raised their hand. Okay. The faculties can send the answers through the chat. I am screen sharing, so I cannot check chat. Someone please tell me if their answers are right.
Yes.
Siddharth, Vidinti, 1 second. Ma'am, I request all the faculty members kindly to answer rather than chat.
Okay.
Let them answer, no? Because whoever, many can send in the chat, but let them answer first. That makes it.
Okay, here's the first question. Whose name means handles chariot in 10 directions? You have 4 options: Atiratha, Dasharatha, Adhiratha, or Maharatha.
Maharatha.
I couldn't hear you.
Maharatha.
Maharatha is unfortunately the wrong answer. The answer is Dasharatha. Okay.
Siddharth,
ma'am.
if it goes wrong, please give chance to one more faculty, no?
Okay. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that from the next question.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so we'll have the next question. Who taught archery to Lava and Kusha? Vasishta, Agastya, Vishwamitra, or Valmiki? Valmiki is the correct answer. That was a great answer. Okay. For the next question, you have to identify any 4 characters in the image. Any 4 of them. You can observe the image carefully and answer.
Love question Ram Sita, no?
That's the right answer. There was Rama.
Ma'am, what Sita? It is golden Sita.
Golden Sita. Okay, the next question.
Who answered this? Ma'am, may I know who is this? Ma'am, may I know who is this?
I think I gave.
Pratibha Singh, ma'am. Okay, good. Big hands to Pratibha Singh.
Ma'am, Yashaswini ma'am also answered it in the chat box.
Yeah.
Okay. Ma'am, great ma'am. Yashaswini ma'am. Fine, thank you. Okay, next.
Okay, the next question. Which yaga is done to beget children? Putri Kameshti. Someone answered, I think.
Putra Kameshti.
Putra Kameshti is the right answer.
Vijay sir gave the answer.
Great answer there. Okay. Next question. Whose wife is Urmila?
Lakshmana.
Rama, Lakshmana? Yeah, that is a very quick answer there.
Yeah,
Very quick answer.
Singh ma'am answered. Yeah.
Great.
Pratibha.
Okay. Again, please identify any 4 characters shown here.
Rama, Lakshmana, Sita.
Perfect.
Correct.
That's a very quick and very good answer there. Let's go to the next one. Which mountain did Hanuman bring before Rama?
Sanjeevani. Sanjeevani.
Perfect. Sanjeevani is the right answer. Very good. The next question. Where was Sita found by Janaka?
Soil.
Very quick answers here from the faculties. That's great to hear. The faculties know the Ramayana very well. So again, identify any 4 characters. Once again, sorry, I couldn't hear that.
I think Guru. Guru, no? Ram and Sita.
Can we give them?
Dasharatha.
Still have time to answer.
How many characters you have to identify? Question.
There are 4 here.
Okay. Who is this one? Ram, Sita.
Lakshmana. Lakshmana also.
Dasharatha. He's not Dasharatha.
Unfortunately, Dasharatha was in the picture and Lakshmana wasn't. So this is Dasharatha, right?
Would anybody like to answer the situation that's happening in this picture?
It is while they are going to the forest or to the exile.
That's the right answer.
On to the next one.
Yes, next question. Who was the first demon to be killed by Sri Rama? Ataka is the right answer. Very quick answers there. Again, another one. This might be a little difficult. Which of the following dates marks the Rama Janma Bhoomi Puja at Ayodhya? The one held very recently, actually.
5th August 2020.
5th August is the right answer. Very good. Very good quizzing.
Also 19.
Very good quizzing there. We have another of these questions. Identify any 4 characters.
Ram, Lakshman, Sita.
Yes.
Rama, Lakshmana, Valmiki, and Sita.
No, ma'am.
Very close. Very close.
Rama, Lakshmana, Valmiki, and Sita.
No, ma'am.
One more character.
You're missing one, but you're very close.
One character.
Valmiki is that. Bharata. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugna. Rama, Lakshmana, Sita. Who's the
Anybody can try.
Is it Janaka?
Huh?
No, Janaka is not the right answer.
Janaka is not there, sir.
Is it the one Valmiki was there?
The audience also can try to answer the question.
Yep.
Is it
Vishwamitra?
Vishwamitra is correct.
Yes. Rama
The faculty was very close with Valmiki, but Vishwamitra is the right
the
answer.
right answer.
Very good. Let's see the next question. Who narrated the story of Rama to Valmiki? You have Narayana, Narada, Vasishta or Saraswati?
Narada.
Narada is the right answer.
right answer.
Very good, Kusa. On what day was Rama born? Fairly simple. Ashtami, Dashami, Navami, or Ekadashi?
Dashami.
Dashami.
No, it's not Dashami.
Navami, sorry.
Perfect. Navami is the right answer.
Ramanavami.
Ramanavami, yes, that's why Ramanavami is there. Moving on. Another 4 characters question. Please feel free to guess any of the 4 characters there.
Hanuman, Rama, Lakshman, Jambuvanta.
Vibhishana. Vibhishana is the
Hanuman, Rama, Lakshman,
Vibhishana.
and Jambuvanta probably.
Vibhishana, Rama, Lakshmana, Hanumanta.
Perfect. We had 5 here. The 4 were Rama, Lakshmana, Sugriva was also in the image.
Okay.
And Vibhishana.
Vibhishana.
Yep. Nidhi, can you please continue the faculty round, please? Over to Nidhi. Where's Nidhi?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear.
So the next question is, how many bones did Kaikeyi get from Dasharatha?
Two boons.
1.
2.
Yes, that's the right answer, sir. The next question we have, Ravana was also skilled in which of the following? Sculpturing, dancing, music, painting.
Music.
Yes, that's the right answer, sir.
Music.
Yeah, so here it's the end of the faculty round. Thank you for all the teachers who participated.
Thank you all faculty members for participating. Now we are at the last round. Siddharth or Nidhi, please.
Nidhi, please carry on.
So the last round is true or false. So this is the clockwise round. Direct question answered will be given 10 points. Not answered will be given negative points. So the first question goes to Shamita. Dasharatha had 4 children.
False.
Shamita, can you please answer the question?
False.
Yes, that's the right answer. Okay, so the answer is already here. It's Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrughna, and Shanta. Can we move on to the next question? The next question is for Vishnupriya. Janaka Maharaja was the king of Mithila. Is Vishnupriya here? Yes. That's the right answer. Somebody else answered before Vishnupriya. Who was that? Okay, we will just move on to the next question. The next question goes to Prapul. Long ago, Dasharatha had granted 3 boons to Kaikeyi.
False.
Is it true? Yes, it's false. He had granted 2 boons to Kaikeyi. The next question goes to Swarna Rao. Jatayu helped Ravana in kidnapping Sita. Is this true or false? Can you please repeat?
False.
Yes, false is the right answer.
False.
The next question goes to Sudhanva. Dasharatha died unable to bear the grief that Bharata did not become the king. Is this true or false?
False.
Yep, that's the right answer. The next question goes to Varsha. Tataka is the sister of Ravana. Is this true or false?
False.
Yes, that's the right answer. The next question, Aniruddha. Ravana, Kumbhakarna, and Vibhishana represented Rajas, Tamas, and Sattva Gunas respectively. Is this true or false?
False.
Sorry, the right answer is true. So Anirudh will be getting a negative point here. So this is the end of the last round. Can I request Sriram to tell the So the points for everybody goes like this. Shamita has scored 60 points.
Nidhi, just a minute. We had 2 rounds, Siddharth, right? Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am. We have an anti-clockwise round.
Anti-clockwise round is there, Nidhi, in the same. You continue with Siddharth, you continue the anti-clockwise round.
Yeah. Okay, sure then. 1 second. Let's continue. Okay. Here's the anti-clockwise round. We'll be going in the other order. So who started first? This question is for Aniruddha because, yeah, let's go. Aniruddha, the statement is, Hanumanta allowed himself to be captured and presented before Ravana. Is it true or is it false?
True.
It is true. That's the right answer. He'll be getting a +10. The next question is for Varsha. Varsha, Ravana was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Is it true or is it false?
False.
Yep, it is false. Ravana was the most revered devotee of Lord Shiva, not Lord Vishnu. Sudanva. Hanuman did not gain Sita's confidence even after narrating Rama's story. Is it true or is it false?
False.
True, sir, true. Yep.
True.
Sorry, you said false first. Unfortunately, we'll have to be considering your first answer. It is true. Sita did not believe Rama at first, but when when Hanuman gave Rama's ring to Sita, she believed him. Okay, sorry, Sudhanva, you'll be getting a -10. Swarna Rao. Vasishta Maharshi taught the Bala and Atibala Vidyas to Rama and Lakshmana. Is it true or is it false?
False.
It is false. Vishwamitra was the one who taught Bala and Atibala Vidyas. Okay, good quizzing there. Next, Prapul. Rama sent Sita to Vanavasa after listening to gossip from a cobbler. Is it true or is it false? Prapul.
True.
Unfortunately, it's false. The gossip was from a washerman, not a cobbler. So you'll have to focus on the very specific statements over there. I'm very sorry. You'll get a -10. Who's next? So it's Vishnupriya. Vibhishana advised Ravana not to kill Rama. Is it true or is it false?
It is true.
It is true, in fact. Yep. So the statement is as it is. Vibhishana did advise Ravana not to kill Rama. Okay, with that, here's the last question of today's quiz to Shamita. Kishkinda is located in present-day Bijapur. Is it true or false? Read the statement twice and then give your answer. Unfortunately, it is false. Kishkinda is located in Bellary today. With that, Sriram, can we have the scores, please?
Here are the scores. Shamita has scored 50 points. Vishnupriya has scored 50 points. Prapul has scored 25. Swarna Rao has scored 50. Sudhanva has scored 10. Varsha has scored 60. And Anirudh has scored 20. So there's a tie between Shamita, Vishnu, and Swarna.
Okay, a three-way tie. We have a few questions left. We have a few true or false questions and a few questions that we didn't ask in previous rounds. Wait, let me just see how to resolve this tie. Ma'am, can we have
We
your
can
insights?
just carry on with the true or false itself.
True or false?
Questions, yeah.
So only those three who are involved in the tie can answer these questions.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So the first person to get it right, I think that would be a good way to break the tie. If that's fine with everyone, then I'll go to the next question.
Yeah.
Okay. Please note who answers it first, please. Someone. The Bala and Atibala Vidyas are taught to Rama and Lakshmana to overcome hunger and thirst. The first one to answer it wins the quiz.
False.
Unfortunately, that is the wrong answer. It is true. It is taught to overcome hunger and thirst. So whoever, I don't know who answered that, sorry, they will get a negative 10.
Swarna Rao.
Swarna.
Okay.
The question.
I believe the
we
tie
have one
still
more
persists.
question between, Yes.
The tie still persists. Okay. The next question is, there are 24,000 shlokas in the Valmiki Ramayana, including Uttarakhanda. Keep that in mind.
It is true.
It is true. It is true. So the one who answered it, congratulations. You have won the quiz. Who answered that?
It's me, Vishnupriya.
That's great. I think Vishnupriya has won the quiz. Can someone please confirm this for me?
Two of them have got 60, right? Siddharth?
Oh yeah, Varsha is the one that has the highest points.
Okay. We couldn't hear that.
Varsha is the one that has the highest.
Oh.
Highest. Then? Next is?
After Varsha, it's Vishnupriya.
Okay. And who comes in third?
Shamita.
Okay. So congratulations. The quiz has ended. Congratulations to the winners and thank you everyone for participating. We can go to the vote of thanks, please.
I would like to call upon Adarsh to give the vote of thanks.
Karmanyavadikaraste, ma phaleshu kadachana. Without wishing for the fruit, one who works with passion would gain success. Said by Lord Krishna in Bhagavad Gita. Shubha Sayankalaha, Adhyapakaha, Priyamitrami. Today, I am privileged to present the vote of thanks for the first event of Language Club for this semester, that is Ramayana Quiz. I would like to thank our dear Principal Sir, Pankaj Chaudhary Sir, for giving this wonderful opportunity to conduct this quiz competition. I would like to thank all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their excellent support and participation. And I will also like to thank all the students and participants who made this competition successful. My special thanks to Haripriya, Dhanush, Ashwin, Sundaresh, Nidhi, Brinda, Pavamana, and Sriram, who proved that teamwork blooms success. Last but not least, thanks to Geeta ma'am, our dear Sanskrit faculty, for her greatest help and support given to us for conducting this quiz competition. Thank you one and all. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.